Stacy from Tea World Academy. Welcome. Today I will be unmolding my bitter leaf activated charcoal soap. So it's an hot process soap, and this is some hours after. I left it for let's say 16 hours. So I'm going to be popping it out of the mold. You can see how it easily pops out of the mold. So this is one of the function of the stearic acid we added. It helps our soap to easily unmold. My total batch size is 1865 or thereabouts. So this soap doesn't have any scent added to it. It just have its natural scent from the oils that was used. So it will do you well enough to scrape out any rumbles of soap we have. You can add this with other soap and create a rebatch with it. This is not going to be a total waste. So now I can undo this soap with my hand because it's hot process soap. If it's a cold process soap, you might need to put on a glove to be able to do this. So I'm going to cut this soap into this shape. I'll transfer this to my cutter, and I'm going to cut them into this shape. This is a 1-inch soap, so I'm going to use 1 inch. This is my 1 inch. Remember, you can make use of this soap right now, but I am going to leave the soap to cure for 1 week because it's an hot process soap. So I'm going to leave it for 1 week to cure. So our soap is ready and it's good to use.